to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. Let's get into today's video. So like you saw in the intro, I'm wearing this gorgeous unit from Hairvivi. I'm gonna do a little unboxing so you guys can see how gorgeous this packaging came. And then I'm gonna put the wig on 𝙃𝙃𝙍𝙄𝙍 so you guys can see the full spectrum of beauty that this unit is. Her name is Elena. So I say this all the time on my channel. Anytime I get a Hairvivi wig, Hairvivi, this is that girl. She is luxury, all right? I was looking on TikTok on Hairvivi wigs and somebody said, these are take my money wigs. They are not mine. They're not. Let me show you guys how my package came. My packages always come from Hairvivi. Very nicely packaged. You see this? Attention to detail, okay? We've got little cards in here, little instruction booklets to help you maintain your wig. They're hitting us with infographics so we are not confused. They say this, they mean it. There is a little satin baggie here. It's got accessories and my wig is sealed. Okay? Presentation. Do you understand? So in that little bag of accessories, I got some alligator clips, my favorite. I use these for everything, holding fabric in place, you name it. There's this adjustable lace wig elastic band, and this would go inside of the wig, as well as some replacement combs, and this double-headed edge brush. All right, very helpful. Essential toolkit, you'll need this for your wig. Your personal stylist. Unblemished right away, baby. All right, so let's see this beautiful unit. Here is a little satin bag, and that is for storage. I'm going to take off this netting so I can show you guys the color. One thing about Hairvivi that has been consistent, every single wig that I've gotten from them since I first started working with them years ago, literally the color. So they have these big clips on either side because this is a bang wig, and they style all their wigs so that as soon as you get them out of the package, all you have to do is cut the lace and put it on because they are ready to be worn glueless immediately. This is a bang wig. I'm gonna show y'all when I put her on 𝙃𝙃𝙍𝙄𝙍. But as always, look at this color. Look at the color. I've always said that their color design on their units were impeccable, but I didn't know they had like literal professional stylists. So I went a little digging and I went on their social, oh girl. Color is hard. Color is really difficult. I don't know how many companies that I can say when it comes to their color, they are so consistent. And I mean, I saw a couple of promo videos behind the scenes that Hairvivi had on their social media of the master stylist, the professional stylist that they have to color. It's professional color. It's a Do you know how much this body wash will cost when you go to the salon? You lift in levels like this. The dyeing process is so sophisticated because when you're looking at this color, you're seeing the gradient bleach job. Like, I'm gonna get close. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. First of all, the hair is premium quality. There is no damage that's done to this hair. They use Dyson appliances to style the hair. This color design is legit. And then getting into the actual cut, like the curvatures are perfect. They face frame. I appreciate that because I have retired my tint brush, okay? It's still sitting in there underneath the cabinet. I got a big old gallon of 30 volume developer and some Clairol bleach floating around here somewhere, and they were definitely needed because sometimes wig companies would send me wigs that say that the knots were bleached and they weren't, or the highlight dye job that they had done on the hair looked nothing like the picture. It was maybe too brassy, or for whatever reason the color was always a hit or miss, and I never had to worry about that. Like, this is the color that the boxes used to have on the commercials. The girls would be swinging their hair around and you get that box dye thinking it's gonna come out like this. I can't do that at home. Maybe that's professional. I want to give you a little close-up before I put it on my head of the baddest hairline in the game. I can get as close as possible in the camera so I can show you that there are no knots. That is clean. And it's a 13x6. It's not just only bleached perfectly where this part is. You can part it anywhere and you're still gonna get that level of quality. I got her flipped inside out so you can see the cap construction. Now these caps are meant to be worn glueless, and that is why it comes with this adjustable elastic band. Okay, we got our adjustable straps, and we have a nape comb. So a heavily contributing factor to the reason why those knots look so clean is because of this skin tone mesh fabric that's sewn all around the perimeter of the lace. This is what they call their Scalp. So you don't have to worry about doing the bald cap method. You don't have to worry if your wig cap is the right color or anything. The wig is already has a wig cap built in. But it does have this anti-slip silicone material on the elastic band, and there's this really soft material at the nape of the neck, so you don't have to worry about any irritation. She's got some personality. She got some length. She got some body. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. Stop attacking me. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bonnet off. I literally just put a little bit of gel on my hair and brushed my hair and my edges back. I got my 2 little Sealy braids underneath here, nice and safe and protected. And my hair is protected. You wanna know why? Because I take good care of my hair underneath my wigs. I am so tired of people ragging on women who make the choice to decide that they're going to wear a wig over their natural hair. Listen, why is there so much fighting about that? Why do you care so much about what's going on somebody else's head? I might be bald under this wig. I might have hair down to my foot. It's not your business. Mind your business. Lord have mercy. So anyway, I was just seeing a lot of discourse online from the podcast bros talking about women and how they hate their natural hair. Nobody hates their hair, bro. People trying to be out the door in 5 seconds. That's all it is, I promise you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this band, and then I'm gonna put this wig on. All right, so depending upon how low you want your forehead, you can adjust this. So the way that I adjusted my bands in the back, you wanna go for a comfortable snugness. All right, you wanna make sure that she's on, that nobody is gonna be able to tug her off, but she's not gonna give you a headache. Perfect for glueless if you don't wanna deal with the tackiness of adhesives. I have PTSD. I'm gonna go ahead and secure my sideburns down at the very least because, all right, memories. My hair gets caught on literally everything. I'll be bending down to get a pot out of the cabinet and I'll stand up and that wig will be gone. So we're gonna go ahead and secure these areas right here. And what I mentioned before about that mesh underneath that you don't have to worry about getting a wig cap, my wig cap slides. My wig cap will not stay where I put it to save my life. So it's probably back here somewhere and I'm about to show you. It don't look like it, does it? Look at this. Bam, where the wig cap? I knew it. Where is it? So this is my natural hair and this is what that Scalp does. It completely covers everything. The reason why my very black, okay, indigo black, I use indigo and henna, why it covers so well and blends into my skin tone is because the mesh that's sewn into this lace cap is my skin tone color. It comes in 4 different colors. What I'm wearing right now is Cappuccino and there's 3 other colors, so you just pick the shade that's closest to you. They have a little color chart on their website. It's very difficult to not, you know, expect that kind of service from other wig companies. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna remove this excess lace. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. My mentor called me and we had to catch up and I just had a really good long conversation with her. Listen, I love talking to that woman. God bless her. Thank you, Crystal. Because sometimes you forget who you are. Sometimes you forget who you are. And somebody has to remind you. Because this world is crazy and you have to be able to pivot and you have to learn to love yourself and give yourself patience, okay? Be kind to yourself. The same advice that you would give to a friend, try taking it. How about that? That's what she reminded me. She was like, girl, you would never be this hard on somebody else. And I'm like, yeah, I know, because I got grace for everybody else but myself. Anyway, sometimes you just need some reminding. So that's good and secure. I just want to make sure that I don't have any hard spots. And I wasn't going to do baby hairs because I love the clean look of this hairline, but unfortunately my baby hairs are growing and they cannot be hidden. So I'm going to use the tiniest amount of hair so it can blend in and not look like I just have a random mustache growing on my forehead. See, just this little bit, not too much at all. Very demure, very cutesy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then I will be back with styling. Alright, so when my edges edges finally dry, I'm gonna fluff them up because you know how I like them fluffy and more natural looking, but I'm gonna go ahead and stand up and show you guys. So here's the length. She's a little bit longer than mid, and you can see how she came with that slight curl. We're gonna bump that up a little bit, okay? We'll bump it up a notch. Nothing too crazy, I just really wanna accentuate this bang. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that and get dressed, and then I will be back. So I'm all done curling. I'm gonna add just a little bit of some luster shine, but I'm gonna add it to my hands because I do not want to weigh this hair down in the slightest. Before I comb these curls out, I just want to manipulate my bangs a little bit. So after combing out my curls and playing around with the wig a little bit, I had to change that bang up. So I used a bigger barrel, and then that kind of gave me the swoop doo whoop that I was going for. So this is it, the final look. What do you think? You guys saw how easy that was, just a couple of curls at the bottom, and you don't even have to do that. You can wear it fresh out of the box because it comes pre-styled. The only thing you have to worry about is cutting the lace. I'm gonna give you some close-ups and some glamour shots of this gorgeous hair. Thank you so much, Hairvivi, for sending me this gorgeous unit, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.